Good day! In this video, we are going to do the third part of the PPDAC cycle. The D stands for data collection. Remember, the video 1 we have P. The first P is the problem, the second P is the plan, and now we have the third alphabet, which is D, is called data collection. So there are two types of data that can be collected. If you go out and carry out the collection of the data yourself, mean you did an experiment or you did a survey, then that data collected is called a primary data. On the other hand, if you use someone else's data, for example, you get the data from the books, from the internet, or whatever sources you get, then it is called a secondary data. So in our case, we're going to write a statement like this. In our case, because the data was collected by someone else, in this case, at the website called the Census at School website, then our data is a secondary data. So now, the second part, we may also want to put a code in where we get the data from. So we can say that the data was obtained from this website called www.censusatschool.com. So I repeat again, there are two types of data. A primary data is one where you collect the data yourself, you do the experiment and you do the survey to collect the data. Or a secondary data means you get the data where someone has collected the data and you use them to reproduce and to reanalyze the data. So one is the primary data and the second one is secondary data. In this case, because this internal, you got the data from someone else, it is called a secondary data. And please note that you need to also say where you get the data from. In this case, it's www.censusatschool.com. Cheers everyone, and hope you watch video number 4 when we're going to start to analyze the data. Cheers everyone and have a good day.